Welcome to the ultimate face-off, AI versus human intelligence. A battle of brains, creativity, and who makes the worst jokes. Spoiler alert, it's still me. So now let's start our journey with the first question. What is AI? AI, or artificial intelligence, is like that overachieving kid in school who knows everything, but only because someone programmed him to. From writing essays to making art, AI can do it all. Sometimes better than us, sometimes hilariously worse. Did you know AI once generated an image of a human hand with 6 fingers? That's one way to stand out at a handshake competition. Now let's discuss, what is human intelligence? Now, let's talk about human intelligence. We're creative, emotional, and, well, we invented AI, so technically, we're the OG geniuses here. But let's not forget, we're also the ones who decided pineapple belongs on pizza. So, creativity isn't always a win. Comparing AI and humans is an interesting way of thinking, so why not think about it? AI learns from patterns. What about humans? We make patterns. AI remembers everything. And humans? We forget our keys, passwords, and sometimes even why we walked into a room. Here's a fun fact. AI can beat chess grandmasters, but it still can't tie its own shoelaces. So, humans 1 and AI 0. The $1 billion question in my opinion is, will AI ever replace humans? Maybe at some tasks, but let's face it, can AI really comfort you after a bad day with ice cream and Netflix? I don't think so. Elon Musk once said AI could become humanity's greatest achievement, or our biggest mistake. Kinda like my haircut in 8th grade. At the end of the day, AI is here to help us, not replace us. It's like having a really smart roommate, useful, but sometimes annoying. So, are you team AI or team human? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep being the brilliant humans that you are. Also, if you are interested in knowing how ChatGPT crashed earlier this month and also want to know some great alternatives to it, check out my channel. See you in the next